I like all natural and home remedies, and my grandma taught me this a while back. If you're feeling just a little under the weather, take mentholatum. Some people use Vicks, but she always liked mentholatum. And rub it on your whole foot. Rub it in really, really good. Massage it in. And then put a sock on. Mentholatum always worked better for me. I'll use the Vicks sometimes, but for some reason I like the mentholatum. Probably because my grandma always, stood by the mentholatum. So I trusted her, and I always listened to her. So put it on the bottom of both of your feet. Rub it together. Rub your hands together and rub your feet. Massage it really, really good. Put a sock on both feet. Some people rub it on their chest. Some people rub it all over their body, but make sure it's covered before you go to bed. So I'm just going to do my feet tonight. Put my socks on, go to sleep. Feel better.